What's up, everybody? You know it's your boy here, back with another video, guys, and welcome back to my video and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright, guys, today, guys, I want to wish you a belated Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit this um thumbs up and hit the bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright, guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install TikTok. So it's TikTok for Android TV. So guys, I want to show you guys how to get it up and running on your channel, on your TV. Sorry. So there's two ways that we can go and download this. We can go on Aptoy at Toby, or we can go on App Store. If you have App Store, you can go right here and see the option. Or if you don't got App Store and you got Aptoby, click Aptoby and it will give you the same menu. You can see, guys, you can get the same menu. Alright, so now, guys, I'm gonna exit. So guys, I'm gonna show you now how to install TikTok for Android TV. So we're gonna choose Aptoby. I keep forgetting that name. So alright, guys, so when you reach to this menu, you can go and search for it, type in the name, and it will appear on the main screen. Or you can press the side button, the side arrow, and go down right here to where it says top apps, and you're gonna come across and you will see TikTok right here. So if you go back at I see, so it's this way, and find TikTok. Now we're on TikTok. You can see the option to install TikTok. So we're gonna install, and we're gonna wait for it to download. So give it a couple seconds to download, and it's not gonna take very long because it's not a big file. But you guys, I'm just showing you how to get TikTok on your smart cloud TV Imperial. So guys, I'm going to just give it a couple seconds. So I want to thank you guys for your amazing support throughout all these months and the years that I've been working on my channel. And I want to thank you guys for your amazing support. Please support me in the next year. It's one day before New Year's 2022, and I wish you guys a happy new year when it comes. So guys, as you can see, it's installing. Now you will get this message. Do you want to install this application? It does not request any specific access. Now guys, if you look down at the side down here, you will see a button mark install. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click install. We're gonna highlight it and then we're gonna click install. Then now we're gonna wait for this to install. So it's not supposed to take very long, but give it a couple time or second and let it install. So it's installing right now. and there it is, app install. So we're gonna go back down here where it says done, and we're gonna click done. So now guys, we're gonna come off this menu and we're gonna go back to our interface that is on our TV. Now guys, there's a way I'm gonna show you guys how to remove apps from this interface. If you don't see the plus sign, guys, I'm gonna show you if it's full that you can remove an app and put it back. Alright, like for instance this app. You're gonna press on menu and just hold it till you see that red X pop up on the screen, and what you will do, you will just click OK on your remote to remove any app from your interface. And there it is, it's gone. So now guys, we want to install TikTok on our interface on the main screen. So there's two ways to do this. You can go to the plus sign, or you can go to the side. So just click back to the side and this will pop up and you can go on apps if you don't see the plus sign. But you need to clear the interface just in case if you don't got enough space. So what we will do, I'm gonna do it like this way, and then I'm gonna go onto the plus sign and click the plus sign. Then now I will search for TikTok, and there it is. We're gonna click OK, and TikTok is on the interface right now. So we're gonna open it. And give it a couple seconds. And there it is, TikTok. So here it is guys. Now guys, it's giving me the option to watch now or to log in. If you want to log in, you will click log in. Now I'm gonna watch now. But guys, I'm not gonna watch anything because I don't want to get copyright. So I'm just gonna show you that it worked. And there, so there it is guys, it worked. So guys, I want to thank you guys for watching, and that is how we install TikTok on our smart cloud TV Imperial. Guys, I hope this worked for you guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video to come. I have a video coming up right now. I'm making it, but I'm not gonna release it as yet. So we're just doing these. We're doing this right now just to get things up and running. So guys, if it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. Please like, comment and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And I will see you in the next video.